Okay, hey again everybody. Back on the repair, at least temporarily, of the NordicTrack Audiorider U300. A couple important things. I just ordered a new belt for this thing, and there are several different models of this. What you do, look underneath here, right where I'm tapping with the wrench. I'm not going to flip it over, but you can find the model number there. It's something like NTEX 3160, something like that. But anyway, I took off, as you can see, I removed the seat. In order to do that, you have to unscrew this. There's some flats on there you can see in the light. There you go. You can use an adjustable wrench just to remove. This is the seat height adjustment knob. Makes it easier to take that out. And I wanted to give myself a little more working room here, so that's why I took that out. It screws in right here, goes through this hole, and as you can see, when that's in, it's not going to let you pull this plastic fairing away. But pulled the plastic fairing away enough. I removed or loosened all the remaining screws in the clamshell on the other side, so I could push it away, give myself a little working room. The 3 bolts, they're right here. The wrench on them, so you can see that's the first of the 3. 1, 2, 3. They go around in a semicircle underneath the bottom. And I used an 11mm wrench. I think they're metric. Used an 11mm socket on there and got it. And reason I wanted to show this, the replacement belts, I got one off of eBay, so it's in the mail, or it will be shortly. And this is the side. What I did was I took this belt off, and I reversed it. Because basically, after I had adjusted it last night, it was slipping when my wife was trying to use it. So I reversed it, which will hopefully give a little bit better bite and work for her for a little while the replacement part is coming. And in order to reverse it, all I did, I was able to slip it out I slackened it off there, take it off the driven and drive pulleys, and then I slipped it out through the plastic over here, slipped it out over the pedal, flipped it around, slipped it back in. It was a little bit of a gymnastics act, but it's easier than taking that pedal off and taking this fairing off. So got it on there reversed, and then the only other thing I could show you, I used a long Phillips head screwdriver. There's no tensioning device on here, so basically use the Phillips head in between this pulley very carefully and the tension one. I just created some tension on the belt that way while I tightened up put my finger in the way, while I tightened up the drive belt. So, and then tightened up the 3 screws on the back. So hopefully that'll be at least a temporary repair, and I hope this little video is helpful to somebody else who's trying to repair this machine. It's been a good machine for us. We've had it for probably 10-15 years, something like that, and I guess it's about time that the drive belt would wear out, and hopefully the replacement part will fit. Thank goodness for eBay and replacement parts online. Thanks for watching. I'll keep y'all posted.